Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need transmission work, a new paint job or touch-up, to order new parts, when you bring your vehicle to Levittown Ford for maintenance or repairs, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers. Visit us at www.levittownford.com. While you're there, order parts. Read about our award-winning service department. Take advantage of our internet specials and start saving. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Levittown Ford is located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown, New York.